Hello, welcome back to the Robotic Mind. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make fingerprint bike starter and how to program this fingerprint sensor using Arduino Nano with your Android smartphone. Now, parts requirement for this project. The first one, we need a GT511C3 fingerprint sensor, Arduino Nano, DC 5V relay module, one red LED, 3 10K resistance, OTG, breadboard, some jumper wire, Arduino Nano data cable, and any Android smartphone. Before starting this project, we need a GT511C3 fingerprint sensor library or sketches for program this sensor. So go to the internet for download this file. Open web browser and search here GT511C3 library download and open the first GitHub link. You can see here the download option is not available here because this is a mobile version, so change this into the web version. Click here for menu option, click here desktop site. Now download option is available here. So click here for download this file, click here for download zip file. Now library has been downloaded. So go back to the home option. Now this is the Arduino Droid Android app for program this sensor. So open the Play Store for download this application and search here Arduino Droid and install this app. I have already installed, so open this app. You can see here in the top of the menu there are 5 options available. The first is save option, second compiling, third upload our sketch into this Arduino Nano, fourth is serial monitor, and fifth is the menu option. So click here for menu option, click here libraries, click here add zip library. You can see here this function is not working now because I did not give my storage access to this Android app. So go back to the setting for give the permission. Now open setting into your mobile phone and go to the apps option. Now open the Arduino Droid apps option and go to the permission. Now click here for give storage access to this Android app. Now go back to the menu. Open this Arduino Droid Android app again. Now click again for menu option. Click here for libraries. Click here for add zip library. Now this function is working now. There are many files available. You can see here the fingerprint scanner detail master zip library. We have downloaded this file from internet, so click here for select to add this file into this software. Now library has been installed. So click again for menu option, click here for sketch, click here for libraries example, click here for fingerprint scanner TTL. Now there are 4 options available. The first is FPS blink. We can blink this inbuilt sensor LED. Then second is FPS enroll. We can register our finger into this fingerprint sensor. Third is FPS ID finger. We can access our finger to our project. And fourth is the FPS serial pass-through. We can use this fingerprint sensor throughout our computer or software. Now click here for FPS enroll. Now you can read this sketch deeply. Now let's go to the wiring part. Attach Arduino Nano into breadboard. Now connect jumper wire into fingerprint sensor. In fingerprint sensor has 4 wire. The first red wire is VCC or 5V. Second black wire is ground wire. The third green wire is RX wire. And the fourth white wire is TX wire. Please connect this green wire, RX wire. Be very careful. In the circuit diagram, connect RX wire with 10K resistance to pin number D5 in Arduino Nano. And connect 2 10K resistance in series from RX to ground. Now connect red wire in Arduino Nano 5V. Now connect second black wire in Arduino Nano ground pin. Now connect third RX pin, RX wire into any blank terminal. Now connect the 10K resistance from RX to pin number D5. Now connect another resistance from RX to any blank terminal. Now connect third resistance in series from 10K resistance to ground pin. Now you can see the diagram. One 10K resistance from RX to pin number D5 and second resistance 10K from RX to in blank terminal and 2 10K resistance in series from RX to ground. Now connect fourth TX wire in pin number D4. Now connect this LED from pin number D2 from ground. Now connect this relay. In relay has 3 wire. The first are VCC, second ground and third is in pin. Now connect VCC 5V to 5V in Arduino Nano. And connect ground pin to ground in Arduino Nano, and connect in pin in Arduino Nano pin number D6. Now you can see the diagram. Wiring has been completed. Now connect data cable into Arduino Nano and connect OTG into the cable and connect this OTG into mobile phone. After connect OTG, you can see here Arduino Nano and fingerprint sensor light is blinking. Now go back to the programming part. Now compile this sketch from here. Click compile button. Wait for few seconds. Now compilation finished. So click here for upload button. Now click OK to allow access. Now this sketch is uploading in Arduino Nano. Wait for a few seconds. Now uploading is finished. Open serial monitor and click setting option and change this into 9600. Now press this button into Arduino Nano. Press this button. In the serial monitor you can see here press finger to enroll #01. Now register your finger into this fingerprint sensor. Press your finger. Now remove your finger. Press again same finger. Remove finger. Press again same finger. Remove finger. Now enrolling successful. Your finger has been registered into this fingerprint sensor. If you want to register second finger, so press this button again. Now press again finger. Remove this finger. Press same finger again. Remove finger. Press same finger again. Remove finger. Now enrolling successful. My 2-finger enrolling has been successful. Now go back to the another sketch. Open the menu option. Click sketch. Now click libraries examples and click fingerprint scanner TTL. Now open this FPS ID finger. I will write some code into this sketch. Go to the void setup section. This is the void setup. After fingerprint, type enter and write here pin mode PIN capital MODE parenthesis open close. I attach this relay to pin number D6. So write here 6 comma in capital output OUT PUT. After parenthesis semicolon, type enter. Again write pin mode PIN capital MODE parenthesis open close. I attach this LED to pin number D2. So write here 2 comma output in capital OUT PUT. After parenthesis semicolon, type enter and write here digital write DIGITAL capital WRITE parenthesis open close pin number 6 comma in capital HIGH high. After parenthesis semicolon, type enter. Write again digital write DIGITAL capital WRITE parenthesis open close pin number 2 comma in capital LOW. After parenthesis semicolon. Now go to the void loop section. In the serial.println ID, type enter and write here digital write DIGITAL capital WRITE parenthesis open close pin number 6 comma capital LOW. After parenthesis semicolon, type enter and write delay DELAY parenthesis open close and write 1500. After parenthesis semicolon, type enter and write again digital write DIGITAL in capital WRITE parenthesis open close and pin number 6 comma capital HIGH. After parenthesis semicolon. Now go to the else part and after serial.println After semicolon, type enter and write here digital write DIGITAL, capital WRITE, parenthesis open close, pin number 2, comma, in capital HIGH high, after parenthesis semicolon, type enter and write delay DELAY, parenthesis open close, 1500, after parenthesis semicolon, type enter, again write digital write DIGITAL, capital WRITE, parenthesis open close, pin number 2, comma, in capital LOW, after parenthesis semicolon. Now sketch has been completed. Now save this sketch from here, click save option. Now make new file and write FPS, save this sketch from here. Now click compile option for compile this sketch. Now compilation finished. Now click upload this sketch, click upload button, wait for a few seconds. Now this sketch is being uploading into the Arduino Nano. Now uploading finished. Now open serial monitor. Now press your finger. You can see here verify ID is equal to 0 and relay is high or low. When I press my thumb, relay is on for 1500 microsecond. Now relay is off. When I press my unregistered finger, you can see here the red LED as an alert is glowing. When I press my register finger, relay is on. Now relay is off for 1500 microsecond. When I press my unregistered finger, red LED is on as an alert. Now you can register your 200 above finger into this fingerprint sensor for use FPS enroll sketch. Now install this project into your bike and car and any other project. Now let's go to the next part. I made a waterproof housing for cover this project. And this is a voltage regulator from 12 volt to 9 volt, 7809 voltage regulator. Now sensor is ready. It's totally waterproof. These two wire 12 volt and ground, and these three wire for relay. Now install this into bike. Now these two wire for 12 volt and ground, and connect this into sensor 12 volt and ground, and connect relay wire into this self starter. Now connect 12 volt and ground. Now check with multimeter for 12 volt or ground. Now check multimeter reading. Now it's showing 12 volt. So connect 12 volt or ground Arduino into this switch. Okay, bas pakad liya. Now 12 volt has been connected and relay has been connected. Now connect this starter with relay NO2 common wire. Now this is self starter plug, and connect these two wire into this relay NO and common. Now when I connect these two wire, bike will be start. Now I have connected these two wire into the self starter plug. Now connect this wire into NO and common. Now when I move key into the bike, now when I press my finger into the sensor, when I press my unregistered finger, the red light will be high. When I press my registered finger, bike will be start. So guys, finally project has been completed. So let's check the project. when I put my finger into fingerprint sensor, then bike will be start. And guys, when I put my unregistered finger into fingerprint sensor, then bike will not start and red light showing as an alert. So guys, into my next video, I will make a face lock bike starter. It is a face lock camera. You can start your bike by your face detection. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like and share my video. In my next video, I will upload more interesting videos. And if you want to add another finger, then please plug this data cable into this camera, into this fingerprint sensor. Then you can add more than 200 finger. So this is my project. If you have any question, please make comment into my video, and you can directly call to me, ask any question. So let's check this project.